Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I want to show you a super useful feature that's going to make your designing process smoother. Templates help section available right in your design area. Now, whether you're a seasoned designer or brand new to Templett, sometimes you might need a little guidance, and that's where the help section comes in. No need to leave your design area, just click on the help icon right here. So from here, you'll see a library of articles that cover just about everything that Templett has to offer. Need to know how to use the font glyphs, or maybe you want a deeper dive into expiring templates or locking objects? It's all here. So just click on the topic that you're interested in, and the article will open up a new tab so that you can read it without losing track of your design. You can keep going back and forth. And if you're still unsure, many articles include quick tips and tutorials to help clarify things. Now, I absolutely love this feature because it keeps everything simple and accessible while you're in the creative zone. It's kind of like having your own design assistant always ready to help. Now, should you find yourself not being able to find the answers that you're looking for, Templett's customer service team is ready for you. There's a button on the top right of this panel labeled Contact Us, which brings you to an inquiry page. Fill it out, and once you submit it, our team will get back to you as soon as possible. So, next time you're designing a template and need help with a feature, remember to check out the help section right in your design area. It's fast, easy, and designed to keep your workflow moving. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks, and as always, happy designing.